What is the fastest man-made object in the world? Let's start from the beginning. In 1817, Carl Dries invented the world's first bicycle. Its top speed was just 4 kilometers per hour. In 1885, Gottlieb Daimler invented the world's first motorcycle. Its speed reached 11 kilometers per hour. In 1886, Carl Benz invented the world's first automobile. Its top speed was 16 kilometers per hour. The average human running speed is about 24 kilometers per hour. A modern bicycle can reach around 45 kilometers per hour. The Wright Flyer, invented by the Wright brothers, became the first successful powered airplane. Its flight speed reached 48 kilometers per hour. This is the Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG, with a top speed of 320 kilometers per hour. The Sikorsky X2 is the world's fastest helicopter, reaching 481 kilometers per hour. In 1978, the Spirit of Australia set the world water speed record at 511 kilometers per hour. The SSC Ultimate Aero became the world's fastest production car, reaching 530 kilometers per hour. China's high-speed maglev train is the fastest train in the world, reaching 603 kilometers per hour. The fastest motorcycle on Earth reaches 634.2 kilometers per hour. The Boeing 757 is one of the most influential aircraft in history, with a cruising speed of 982 kilometers per hour. The Thrust SSC became the first land vehicle to break the sound barrier. It reached 1,228 kilometers per hour, while the speed of sound was 1,235. This is the SR-71 Blackbird, the fastest crewed jet aircraft ever built, reaching 3,540 kilometers per hour. The North American X-15 is the fastest crewed rocket plane in history, reaching 7,274 kilometers per hour. And yet, this is only the beginning. The X-43, an experimental unmanned aircraft developed by NASA, reached 11,854 kilometers per hour. The International Space Station orbits Earth at 28,000 kilometers per hour. During launch, the space shuttle reached 28,163 kilometers per hour. When Apollo 10 returned to Earth, its speed reached 39,937 kilometers per hour. The Ulysses solar probe traveled at 40,680 kilometers per hour. NASA's Stardust probe reached 46,440 kilometers per hour. Voyager 2 reached 55,232 kilometers per hour. New Horizons, the first spacecraft to visit Pluto, launched at 58,580 kilometers per hour. Voyager 1, one of humanity's greatest achievements, reached 61,500 kilometers per hour. Pioneer 10, the first spacecraft to fly past Jupiter and enter interstellar space, reached 132,000 kilometers per hour. Pioneer 11, the first to fly past Saturn, reached 172,800 kilometers per hour. The Galileo spacecraft reached 173,800 kilometers per hour. Helios 1, a milestone in solar exploration, reached 238,000 kilometers per hour. Juno, the Jupiter exploration probe, reached 265,500 kilometers per hour. And finally, the Parker Solar Probe. Its speed reached an unimaginable 692,000 kilometers per hour.